Hello and welcome to the Life of Lola Banks. I'm Lola Banks and I've been kind of busy. Ha, I've been kind of busy this weekend. I've been getting the house floors and stuff remodeled, so I'm gonna let y'all see what I had going on. And this is why I haven't put up a video Sunday because they came in Sunday at 6:50, start ripping up floors, making everything beautiful. I'm gonna let y'all see. Let's get into it. We are getting our floors redone. I can't get a good view, but yeah, that's what's going on. Getting our floors redone. My room is next, and I will show you afterwards. I'm about to get my room floor redone over. Yes, I'm so excited. And I'm getting a new bed set, new furniture. Closet is getting redone over. Ugh. Only thing I can't get rid of is the ratchet walls. But it's all good. Because it's my grandmother's house and it's just my space to live until, how can I say this beautifully, her final hour. Hopefully, anyway, yeah, we're not even gonna go there. I'm not even gonna say that. Okay. Anyway, well, yes, this is my room. They're gonna move the furniture around to do the floor. Eventually, I'm gonna get this stuff out. I know it looks a little junky, and I have bricks on my dresser and on my floor, but it was holding up my bed. Yeah, that how ratchet my bed was. Currently outside going to the fire. Can't change my door either, but I changed my locks because Granny is a little nosy. Anywho's, I'll be back with the after, babies. It's gonna be lit. Well, we're gonna do an after because we're gonna do how the floor got done and then how my room got done. It's gonna be cute. But yes, this is my little living space. Next is gonna be my studio space, because if I have to live here with Granny and take her insults because she is worse than Cruella de Vil. Cruella ain't got shit on Granny, okay? Cruella, goddamn Ursula, the pirates, none of them motherfuckers. Anyways, excuse my French, but this is it. I look a mess today, but yeah. Yeah, this is me. Bad floor stains. Don't know where some of these came from. The house is 70 years old. Don't judge. I had hardwood floors and I didn't even know it. This is nice. I don't. We should have like spiced it up, but we don't cover it. I'm sad about this. I know it's hardwood floors in the year. Anyhow, we'll be back. Good hardwood. Alright, they have finished the living room. Granny done got her clothes and stuff back in here. Excuse me. They gonna do the hallway. Excuse the floor. They is working. They gonna do the hallway. Cause it's horrible. Oh, look at my floor. He's getting it, baby. My floor is coming to life, honey. I'm so sad. They have to cover up this hardwood. Yes, my boots is cute today. $5 from Walmart. Love them. Bay treated me to them. Room is coming through. I'm excited. They is about to do the hallway. Yes. I love my floor. That is so getting the business done. When I come back, I'm gonna get this little bit of mold up off my wall. But other than that, I love it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, they haven't started the closet yet. Y'all can't see in there. It's a little dark. But they haven't started. But I love it so far. Cute little Mama. Okay, the hallway is done. I came back home and the hallway is done. Look at this. It's so cute these days. My grandmother will fuck up a video, Jesus. She's so damn extra. I just said I was starting a video. She don't care. Fuck my life. Anyway, here's my room. We're done. He left the dresser from off the wall so I can clean up this mold that's on my wall. I don't know why, but yeah. And he did my closet. I'm so excited. If I have to live here with her, I have to live in style. I can't be living in a bummy ass room and being insulted all day and every day. Not sexy. Anywho, yeah. I gotta clean up. It's gonna look way better than this. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm sorry my room is small. It's not huge like other people, but you have to understand this house was built in the late 1950s. So don't be judgmental. I'm still gonna clean that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw some bleach on it. Like right now, let it sit, and then when we come back, we're gonna clean the wood. Yep. I'm so excited. Next is the bathroom. I can't let you see that, but you definitely see the beginning before. She won't shut up. Let me go. Bye. Welcome to the life of Lola Banks. I'm Lola Banks, and if you're new to my channel, what's good? We're gonna be doing all kinds of things here. Traveling, eating. Today, we are changing my room up. Yesterday, I got my floors remodeled, as you can see. Today, I'm hooking up my Wayfarer bed. I got a mattress. I got a cart, a store cart from Uline for my extra clothes that I got since I got this BBL, and we're gonna let y'all see how it goes. So far, I got Bay on the floor doing this thing, looking at stuff. Cause I'm gonna be honest, he's gonna be mostly putting it up. I might throw a little couple of screws in here or there, but anyway, he's gonna be doing most of the work. Anyhow, we'll be back when he's about done. Okay, he don't want my help, but he's almost finished. So I'm going to work on the rack behind me for my clothes. It's a little baby rack, as you can see. But anyway, that's how far in progress we got. And put the camera on the stand so y'all can see the rest of the room. Yeah, we working here. And I look like a mess. But it's okay. Okay, we got the bed frame up and the rack up. I'm about to put the mattress up. Waiting on the box spring. So, yeah. I changed the room. Got everything positioned where I want it. The closet is very neat. You just sipping away. Jesus.
She's working for your ass. You got to drink. Yeah.
Anyway, he's not working for me. He's working with me. Oh my god, my hair's standing up like alfalfa. Anyhow, that's the piece of hair that I cut and it grew back, but it don't matter because I'm cutting it all off for these fat bitches. But anyhow, we about to put this up. I got comforters from what? 3 years ago when I was working at Family Dollar. They had a glitch in the system and I got comforters for like $3.99, $4.99. So I got like 8 of them hoes. I always had to be ready. But yeah, we gonna be cute. Give it a sec. Coming back.
There you go. You seen it? Watch this.
The bed is currently popping. Ooh, it's getting together. Okay, we getting it together.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it. You keep the spice going though, ain't it? There ain't nothing else on it.
Okay, yeah, we can until we get the box spring.
You just have to hear it. You have to get you another mattress.
A box spring. It's coming on Friday. Friday. My room is starting to come together, people. Bed, space. I gotta clean off my dresser, but we working on that, as you can tell. And my Z-Rack from Uline. I'm excited. Closet already stuffed and neat. It don't look neat, but I'm telling you it's neat. Got my washing powders on the bottom. I got toiletry in the middle, and then that's my sew bag, and this is my bag with all my Shein stuff that came in the mail that I will be doing an overhaul on soon, real soon. That's why I got the Z-Rack, so y'all can see what I'm working with. Anywho, I'll be back. We almost done. I'll be back. I don't like how you talk to me.
I don't talk no kind of way.
Oh, he changed his tone now. Raggedy ass. Oh, this is my new comforter. Well, new old, because I had it for a while, but it's still new, because it's together.
I got my Brussels sprouts on the top. I got my grilled onions with lemon pepper right there.
I'm talking, I love you.
And then my peppers.
Okay, we back. I'm looking like alfalfa because my little piece of hair, but it's all good. It's all good. Anyway, I was going to finish the room, but I got tired. And I need a nap and some food. I've been doing this. We've been at this, for 2 days now? Hell, 3 days, because I had to clean all the stuff out the room to get ready for the people to come do the floor. And then they came early in the morning. So I haven't really been getting sleep. So I didn't want to hear Granny because her mouth is a bit much. So we took the old mattress and set up outside. I'm gonna give you our setup. So we got the TV, the fan, the old mattress, some juice and layout. I got the wheelchair holding up our food because we don't have a table out here. And cooking on the grill. A little baby grill, nothing big. And we gonna watch TV and chill out here until Granny go to sleep or some shit. Cause I can't deal with her. She's too much. Oh. Ooh, just veggies and a little meat. Just a little meat, a little something. A little something. And we gonna finish watching the cartoon Trouble. Ooh, this mattress feel mad good. Wonder why I throw that whole weight. But I needed a new one. Oh shit. Anyway, we about to get it good. And I'm gonna chill out here until I probably fall asleep. It feels good. I'll be back tomorrow, y'all, with cleaning the room and finish the room and this Sheen overhaul or Shein overhaul. I can't pronounce it. Don't get me started. Bye, people. I finished my room. I maybe got like 2-3 bins to put back in here, but I finished. It took me forever, Jesus. But I still have 2 more rooms to do, so yeah. Let's flip this baby around. I got my Z-Rack right here that I got from Uline for my overhaul next video. I got about $300 worth of Savage X Fenty, about $250 of Sheen, and a little bit of Dormy, and I don't know, I've been shopping so much, y'all will get to see. But yeah, this is my bed. I love it. I'm waiting on my box spring, so it's a little low. It should be here Friday. And this is my TV area, bookshelf, my sewing machine, some fabrics and patterns in there. Yeah, I got a little bit of smell goods and medicines and hair stuff. Yeah, my books down there, and yeah. Oh, and my makeup bucket. I know, it's horrible. I'm gonna fix it when we get in Georgia. I'm gonna take the whole bucket. I bought a bag so all the stuff can fit in the bucket. But yeah, this is my room. I'm finished. And oh, underneath the bed is my sewing table and overstock of soap and bath bombs and a pair of sneakers that I couldn't get in my closet, as you see. But yeah, that's it. We're done. I'm done. I like my room. Hope y'all like it. It took me forever. I'm tired. Can't y'all see the bags? I mean, I don't wear makeup, as y'all can see. I don't wear makeup, so I have bags. But anyway, if you like this video, subscribe. Y'all got to subscribe, people, because we have fun over here. It's the bomb here. It's the bomb on this channel. We do everything. We about to hit Georgia, North Carolina to go see my baby daddy and do extra things with my girlfriends. I'm thinking about cutting the hair off. Yep, that's what we're doing. Thinking about cutting it off like ball, Amber Rose style. Yeah. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. But I think in July we gonna make it official. So yeah, like, subscribe. Damn, I can't talk. Like, subscribe, share the video. More shit to come. like this laser hair removal. Yeah, I hate it here. But anyway, holla at me, people.